We'll guide you through how to check your Google account password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because perhaps you can't go and remember it, you've forgotten it, and you want to go and see if you can go and check it and view it before going through the reset process, as it isn't ideal and it can go and take a bit of time to go and complete. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about doing this. Make sure you use full guide and don't skip anything, and then hopefully you're going to be able to go and find it. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and head to our settings. So you can go and swipe up and you want to go and find the option for settings there and tap on it to open it up. Now in settings, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for Google. As you can see, we can go and tap there. Now at the top, you're going to go and see your Google account, which you can tap on. If you've got multiple, you can go and try doing this on other accounts as well. I only have one. So I can then press Google account here, and it's going to go and open up this page here. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for security and sign in, and you want to go and tap there. In here, you need to go and scroll down, and we're looking for the option for password manager. If you struggle to go and find this, what you can do is you can go and press on the search, which is the magnifying glass icon in the top right. Then what we can do is go and tap on password manager like so, and it's going to go and open up. Now, what you can do here is you can go and press search at the top, and you want to go and type in Google, maybe save a Gmail, but most likely it's going to be saved as Google. So you can type that in, or you can just go and scroll down. This is alphabetical, so you can go down and see if you can find it. As you can see in this case, I've managed to go and see Google, so I can go and tap there. I need to go and enter in the screen lock. So this could be a PIN, it could be a password, it could be a pattern. Go and complete it, whatever you've got set, and we can press continue there. And now, as you can see, I can go and see my different Google accounts here. You only have one saved, and this does rely upon it being saved in here. If it isn't saved, perhaps you can try checking another Google account, and hopefully it'll be saved there. And then to go and reveal it, you press the I to the right of the password to go and show it. Or you can go and press the copy button to the right as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.